If you've ever moved, scaled, or rotated a clip in DaVinci Resolve and want to get everything back to normal, this video is for you. In the next few minutes, I'll show you exactly how to reset clip transformations in DaVinci Resolve 20 in the fastest and easiest way possible. This is super useful if your footage looks off-center, zoomed in too far, or rotated by accident. And if this tutorial helps you out, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick editing guides just like this. All right, let's jump right in. First, make sure you're on the Edit page in DaVinci Resolve, because that's where your timeline is located and where you'll be working with the clip. Look down at the timeline and click on the clip you want to reset. Selecting the clip is important because Resolve needs to know exactly which piece of footage you want to edit. Once you click the clip, it becomes active, and its settings will appear in the Inspector panel. Now, head up to the top right corner of the interface and click the Inspector button. This opens the inspector, which is where DaVinci Resolve stores a lot of clip-specific controls. Here, you can adjust things like transform, cropping, compositing, and more. Since we're focusing on resetting transformations, this is the panel you'll need. With the inspector open, click the Video tab if it isn't already selected. Then look for the Transform section near the top. This section contains all the main movement and sizing controls for your clip, including zoom, position, rotation angle, anchor point, and other related settings. If your clip has been moved or resized, this is where those changes were made. To reset everything back to the default, look for the Reset icon next to the Transform header. It's the small circular arrow on the right side of the Transform label. Clicking this icon will instantly restore all Transform values to their original state. That means your clip will go back to its default zoom, position, rotation, and any other Transform adjustments that were applied. It's a very fast way to undo accidental changes without having to manually zero out each setting one by one. After you click Reset, take a quick look at the viewer and timeline to confirm the clip is back where it should be. If the footage is still not looking right, double-check that you selected the correct clip and that no other effects or keyframes are affecting the image. But in most cases, resetting the Transform section will fully return the clip to normal. And that's all there is to it. You've just learned how to reset clip transformations in DaVinci Resolve 20. It's a simple workflow, but it can save you a lot of time when you need to clean up a clip quickly or fix unwanted movement, scaling, or rotation. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next editing tip. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.